Well, I can't stand it anymore. I looked Saturday in the cutout hive and I did see a couple eggs, and I hurried up and closed it back up. And for the last 2 days, all I can think about is wondering if she's really in there. Um, those eggs, I got to thinking maybe could have been from the cutout and they got chilled and they just haven't been cleaned out yet. I'm hoping to see her or some larvae or any real sign that the queen is present. If not, I'm going to get a frame of eggs or maybe even possibly a mated queen. I want to do something before too much time goes by. So wish me luck and thanks for watching. See if we can find the queen. Just couldn't stand it anymore. Thought all day yesterday and today, just wondering if that queen was really in here or not. Because I saw that egg doesn't mean that she is. Well, they haven't started touching this one yet. Just started on this one side. There is some nectar in here. Man, scared me to death. They almost have this rubber band chewed in half. I do see larvae in the bottom, like maybe 4 or 5 day old larvae. But the problem is I see some here and there, but I don't know if that's old larvae that they haven't cleaned out yet. I really don't know. I'm going to help them out and get rid of that band, but they're probably gonna, yeah, I should have caught that because they didn't like that very much. See, all these cells, they are fixing the comb, but those cells are empty. No, there's larvae. And there's eggs in every one of them. Wow, there's queen here. Absolutely incredible. I am blown away. Again. She sure is hard to find. I've still yet to see her. But there's so many bees piled in on this little bit of comb that it's hard to see her. I really don't want them, well, what's happened is there's not another comb. Well, just gonna have to be a little bit crooked, I guess. Well, so far it's looking really, really good, and I guess those larvae should have it cleaned out if they did get chilled during the cutout. I don't know that. But I would love to see her. I haven't met her yet. We haven't introduced ourselves. For any of you new beekeepers who happen to be watching this, what they say about looking in these cells with the sun to your back is exactly right, because it is very hard to see until you get that sun behind you, and then you can see right in there, and there is one egg in every one of those cells. There's whole honey there on the left side. There's some new cap brood. Some older larvae that's getting ready to be capped. Wow. Really wish I could find her. But it's getting late in the evening, and they are not very happy. Yeah, you know they're not happy when they fly straight off in your face. They're double building this comb. I'm gonna have to do something about that, 'cause that's not gonna fly. Wonder how far in there that goes as a double. Gosh, they've been doing all this work, and I sure hate to mess it up for them, but we can't have them doubling that up. Come on, ladies, I'm just going to push this over a little bit. Don't be that mad. All right, put you back. She's a hider. She's absolutely a hider because I have still yet to see her. Oh well. Till next time, I guess, dear.